Today we're gonna be making the yummiest air fryer breakfast. So I have my air fryer right here. It's already preheated. I'm gonna go ahead and put my parchment paper in here, and this is just to keep it lined. And then I have 8 eggs. We're gonna just go ahead and put that inside of there, just like that. And then what we're gonna do is gonna add some of my favorite right here. This is some pre-cooked bacon. We're gonna go ahead and sprinkle that on top. Oh my gosh, I love bacon. Do you love bacon? Let me know down below. It is my favorite. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some, I've got some fresh spinach right here. We're just gonna grab a handful and just lay that in there. So we're gonna spread that out, y'all. This is gonna be such a delicious breakfast. It's gonna keep you sustained all day long, y'all, because that is important. Breakfast is so important. Okay, next we're gonna add some, I have some pepper right here. Let's go ahead and just add some pepper, like that, okay. And then we're gonna need some salt as well. Let me go grab my salt. So we got a little bit of salt here, my favorite Himalayan salt. Yum! All right, so we're gonna sprinkle that. That comes out real fast, whoa. Okay, next we're gonna do is I've got some cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want, you know, just use your favorite. I'm gonna grab a handful of this and we're gonna just put that right on top of that spinach. Okay, y'all, this is easy. We're gonna make it all in a pan. Have you ever done this? Have you ever thought about putting eggs in the air fryer? It's easy, y'all. It's so good. You can put whatever ingredients you want in your omelet. This air fryer omelet, you can use ham. You could use, mushrooms. You could add whatever you want in your omelet. I love cheese, and of course, I love a little spice, so I'm gonna be using some jalapenos. All right, so we're gonna just put some jalapenos right on top of this, just like that. So again, use your favorite ingredients. You could use black olives. What else? You'll let me know what you like in your omelet down below. There we go, that's it. Now we're gonna put it in the air fryer at 400 degrees. Now make sure your air fryer is preheated. I've already preheated mine. And we're gonna cook it for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's rolling. All right, I just pulled this out of the air fryer, y'all. Look at this. Ooh, it is smoking hot. Look how pretty that looks. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now all you gotta do is go ahead and just cut it. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Ooh, look at that egg. It looks so good right there. All right, so let's go ahead and cut this. This is gonna be such an easy breakfast. Man, all I did was put everything in there and I just left it and it was good to go. Oh, look at that. Okay. Look at that, oh my gosh. Cooked to perfection, y'all. This was so easy. I'm so excited and hungry. Okay, look at that. Let's taste this. Look how yummy this looks. I got that eggs in there, I've got the cheese in there, I've got the spinach, salt and pepper, some bacon, and my favorite, some jalapenos. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I definitely give this a 9. It is that delicious. The eggs are cooked perfectly. The bacon, all the flavors are in it, and it tastes so good. Now, like I said, you can add whatever you want in this omelet. Throw everything in. It's super easy. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you would like to see another breakfast recipe, click on the link right here.